How to capture photos silently using the Sony A6300 camera. Rotate this dial from auto to, let's say, P, because you cannot modify the settings in auto. Now let's just capture a photo. So it is noisy, as you can hear. So to modify that one, press the menu button, menu, come to this gear icon, and we have to go to the 5th page. So up to the gear using these arrows and down to the right to the 5th page. So on the gear icon 5th page we have silent shooting, and that is set to off. So go down to silent shooting, enter there using the center button. Okay, and set it to on, center button again. Silent shooting is enabled. Let's get out from the menu using the menu button. Okay, and silence. I just captured photos in a totally silent manner. No sound is generated. You can press the preview button, display the top one. Here we can see a few hundred photos. They were removed from the cart, that's why they are shown, but you can see the number is changing, so I captured a few pictures silently. Okay, so that's how to enable silent shooting on the Sony A6300. If you rotate this dial to auto and go to the menu, then notice on the gear icon 5th page, silent shooting is not available. It says operation or setting not available as follows, because intelligent auto is selected. Intelligent auto is that green one. So that's why it's not working on that green auto, but let's say on P. Menu, silent shooting can be enabled or disabled.